Hey, Jonathan. How you doing? My name is Leo. I spoke with Aretha earlier. Um, I was talking about getting this video sent to you with some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, I have to say, I love the logo. I love the name. I love the email. Love that plumber. I love it. You just have no idea. Website's not too bad here. This is your home page, but there's not a lot here. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. Google loves content, and they want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do when it comes to saving these images, photos and videos are also keywords. They're considered keywords because they are content as well. So bathroom too large, definitely could save that image to plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky, Roto-Rooter, Lexington, Kentucky. You know, any service that you have along with the city. I also recommend having more ways to convert on the top of the page. Some people like email, call, text, chat feature. Those are good ways to have more leads come in. This is the day of the cell phone and the dawn of being easy. Most people are searching on their cell phone, so having a click to call button here where a possible client can come in, click the button right away and be able to get straight through to you and contact you. Put your website in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me your analytics and where you're setting. Now, this is a UR and this is the DR. This is the strength and the trust of your site, and that's with Google. This is on a scale of 100, so you want to keep those balanced and moving up continuously. As of right now, you have 580 backlinks and 91 referring domains, so implementing these tips will help boost these numbers. If you're unfamiliar with the backlink, a backlink is simply one website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal, so some are more spammy and some are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. So right now you have 63 organic keywords and you're getting about 14 people to your site each month. With the number that low, it's more like a digital business card that you have here. You know, a website is an asset. And that can be a lead generating tool that brings in revenue and gives you a higher ROI. Now, plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is a good buyer intent keyword. It gets a search volume of 1,000 searches a month, and the KD is 8, and this is out of 100 as well. So the lower this number, the easier it is to rank. Plumbing companies, Lexington, Kentucky is a 1 KD and a search volume of 50. So you've got some pretty decent keywords in here. The problem is the content. There's just not enough content to embed these keywords in there. So you got to have command content with with keywords embedded in there as well. Now, if you take a look here, if people searching your services, they're going to type in Lexington, Kentucky plumbers or plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky. And at the top up here, you normally see ads, which is a good way to get business quickly, but you want to rank organically. You want to rank in these maps and you want to rank down here organically, because once you stop paying for these ads, you're completely gone off the first page. Now, you're not in these top 3 up here. This is your Google map right here, also known as a map pack. But there's several ways to get here. You want to make sure you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character about us section at the bottom that you need to fill out, and don't forget to add keywords in that as well. Now, posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos, like I showed you earlier about saving the photos as buyer intent keywords. Putting photos on your Google Business Profile weekly helps you rank organically, and again, organically is the key here. Adding citations, and a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. You can send those to directories like Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that, because honestly, as weird as it sounds, Google is just a big popularity contest. And by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more. So get your name out in as many directories as possible, and that'll help boost your business, not only in your area, but it'll also trickle to the surrounding areas around you as well. Being on the Google Map Pack, this top 3 right here, is going to drive you about 30 to 40% of your traffic, and that's going to go to your website and give you a call right from there. And that's the importance of having that click to call button up top. Now, you go down into the organics down here. This is where you really want to be ranking at, because most people's not going to click on Yelp, Angie's List. They're going to look for the first organic plumber in Lexington. And this is their site right here. And as you see, they don't have a lot of content. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding those backlinks and such too. Now, I wanted to show you here, there's some more keywords that you can go after. Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is 1,200 searches a month. Plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky is 300 searches a month. I think you had that one. But what I do is I go through all your competitors, see what all keywords that they're being ranked for, and then we can embed that in your content as well. And also for the other services that you provide. So as you see, there's a decent amount of volume here. So once you start ranking, a percentage of that volume goes to your site, and then a percentage of that volume is going to give you a call. And depending on your close rate, you can turn them into customers. So Jonathan, I really appreciate you taking the time to check out this video today. I definitely hope it was helpful. Again, I would appreciate to hear your feedback and your thoughts. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. Also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, just reach out to me, because I can be that source for you if needed. Again, Jonathan, my name is Leo from Arona Marketing. Have a great day.